Korea has tons of beautiful and exciting beaches because it is a peninsula. I like to take a trip to a beach in summer.
Okay.
One of the most beaches that I like would have to be Gangwon Beach. It is located on the east coast of Korea.
And you said it is in Gangwon.
Yes.
Okay.
It is actually one of the most famous places to shop things such as dramas or films. There is a cafe street across the beach. The coastline of the beach is very scenic. Plus, the sunset and the sunlight are breathtaking. Meanwhile, another beach that I like is Haeundae. It is located in a coastal city called Busan. It is one of the most well-known beaches in Korea.
Right.
There are a lot of stuff to do near the beach. There are a lot of places to eat and drink, and those are good. It gets extremely crowded during the peak season, but it is worth it.
You think so?
Overall, these are two beaches that I like the most.